and sugar till fluffy. Beat the butter and sugar. Where's the sugar? So this is plain flour. This is caster sugar. So let me do this. Okay. So I have to put this in a bowl and heat it until it's fluffy. Butter get in. Butter. Let it get. Whoa! Okay. Beat it. So what does it mean by beat?
Yeah.
So I have to whisk it. Okay, whisk it. Put this to the side here. Till it's fluffy. I don't think it's fluffy yet. Do you think it's fluffy? Let's mix the flour and chocolate chips with the hand until the dough. Okay, the flour is over here, over there, and I measured the chocolate chips as 40 grams, and this is the flour that I measured for 140 grams. So put it in here, mix it till I've got a dough. Wonderful. Right, so beat the butter and spoon. Mix in the flour and chocolate chips with your hand until you have dough. I don't want to mix it. Now, here's hands. It looks like that. Do you think that's enough? Let's mix it in some more strength. Hard. I'm gonna make a little ball and put it around here somewhere, and then I'm gonna use my palm and flatten it. So roll in the bowl. Use my palm and flatten it. I'm putting it on a baking tray with some baking paper so it doesn't stick to the baking tray. Get another ball, roll it in. Put it spaced out and put it there. Then use my palm, flatten it. Okay, get another one, and then you can make as many as you want, just make sure they're spaced out. So that's an extra chocolate chip. So then that's one set done, and if you've got more mixture and you've got another baking tray and some baking oil, you can make another set if you like.